Yeah, this is the message. The good message from international company called DUHIRWE. This DUHIRWE is using different supplements that helps our life to be strong and to be seriously in fine life, the good life. Always in my morning I could use this chlorophyll because I know that this chlorophyll, it is very good in life. If we want to know more information about this chlorophyll, please check it from YouTube, from Google, from everywhere, and all call me on the phone, and then I will inform you, because also me, I use it every morning. This is me, you see I'm just from very dangerous accident. I've been in Pfizer hospital, but after the hospital I tried to use these supplements of the DUHIRWE, especially then from Rwanda. Now I'm coming in a good way, for sure. You see, these are the wounds, and here there was some also wounds which was too much, but after using supplements I'm now coming good, because at this side all the wounds are finished, and this side they're just covering in a good way. This is good news to everyone. And here too we have I have another that I'm using. It is called DIC cucumber. This one also very good. Please, if you want more information, just visit or call me on phone. My phone number that I'm using now, it is +250 788 25 21 62. When you call me, I will give you more information. Use your language. When you use French, I will understand. When you use English, I will understand. When you use Kinyarwanda, the Rwandan language, also I will understand, because I'm Rwandan. And when you use Uganda from Uganda, also you will understand, because I know Uganda. Plus Kiswahili too, I can understand, because I know Kiswahili. Thank you for your support. Thank you for listening to this message, because it is very important to everyone who like his or her life. Thank you.
30 tuza guhura nyuma ambwira ko yakize neza ndetse cyane. Ubu tuvugana ni umuntu uri mashini Imana cyane bitewe na zino product, yarakize burundu, nta kiribwa n'igifu, asigaye agira apeti, bya bibyeyi yaravuyeho, ubu ngubu asigaye abirya. Urumva ko ni igitekerezo cyiza. Nyamara kumva aya makuru, nifuje ko buri muntu wese waba ufite icyo kibazo cy'igifu nawe namufasha agakira ndetse cyane. Product zo zirizewe, tugezezwaho ku bufatanye na Ministat ndetse na RFDA.